There you go.
It's not like cold cocoa, it's a different, you know. I see why they said get in your eyes and feel like it burns. Watch out. Cheater.
And yellow.
And we're here with another vlog. Happy
Valentine's
Day.
We just leaving out of church, y'all. Church was good.
And y'all, we got special guests.
Special guests. Special guests wanna be on camera?
Oh, y'all, I'm not sure.
It looked kind of dark, but
Yeah, but it showed
it'll
perfect.
work out.
Like on the thing. But Starry in Sunday school, we waiting on her because it's freezing out here. They said for to have a blizzard. Well, tonight, tomorrow. So, yeah.
Yep.
It was -6 this morning, y'all. It felt like -6, but it was 8. It's cold.
There you go. What? -6.
-6. But yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell, be
What the
notified.
service was about.
Oh, today's service is about is hope. What hope is? Hope is the substance of things. How do you say?
No, that's
faith.
Faith is
Faith
the hope of things not seen, but the evidence
Of everything's not seen. Faith is the substance of things hoped for, not the evidence of things not seen.
Faith is the substance of things hoped for, and the evidence of things not seen. Yeah.
So, here I go.
That's not what he preached.
Yeah, but
He preached on
It all
hope.
ties
Well,
in.
it ties in together.
Yeah.
Yep, Romans 8, 17.
8:17.
Corinthians.
He went to Corinthians. He pulled some.
He went to a lot of
Hebrews, Psalms, Corinthians. He pulled a lot of scriptures up.
And then they got on no coat, y'all.
Used to this, too. Used to this weather.
Used to it.
Or he probably got that wound in the inside of his
No, that shirt from what I
Jason
see.
is a regular shirt.
Oh no, I can't do it. But yeah, we'll catch up with y'all when Starry gets here.
We going to get some food. Gotta walk fast. Y'all don't know how hard this wind is. It is horrible. Well, gonna go there. It can get some food. Ooh, y'all. Her food. We found it. It's the salmon. I remember.
That's a big bag.
Or do you want the small bag?
Hold on. I'm trying to see because I'm looking at a different option. Yeah, I'm gonna get the same. Oh, you want to hold the camera? How you
Yes.
doing? Getting kit. Oh.
Did we show Dad the animals?
Yeah.
Come on. I'm gonna show my granddad.
Cause my tank don't use this can. He used it's like a big sponge, like this big and that high.
Like something like these?
You have something like this, but it's bigger.
Like about like
No, really
more bigger than this?
Bigger. It's this side right here. It's this long. And this side, I set it down in the thing. My filter's like this. I gotta go to the fish place.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well,
And
we
I got
also
a turtle.
yeah, they got these here. They're in that cage over there.
Everything in this for animals, boy. Leave. Yeah.
glad it wasn't glass.
They got everything down there.
Yeah, I'm telling you. They got snakes and all.
They got everything right there.
Cancer cages.
How much? How long this can last you?
That lasts for a while because that's the bigger. We was got a small one, but
Now we gonna speed this up, guys.
that lasts like a month. What's that month?
Ain't nothing in there. Don't know. Scared. Don't know. Those. They just scrambled.
Right behind you. Hello, hello.
Over here. They got guinea pigs. What is that? A rat? What is that? We're not supposed to go looking at that anyways. They got little guinea pigs.
You got chicken food too?
Oh, hear them?
He's running. What you trying to run from?
Look at him in the corner. You got him down there. Gonna call him Buster.
Oh, it's 3 in there.
Yeah, keep one in the corner.
Yeah, 2 in the corner.
Come on.
This the thing they had.
Oh yeah.
It was on big.
Yeah. Got real big.
Oh my God, a tarantula. They got a tarantula.
Say, know what the hell is?
Oh no.
Oh, it look like I am not a baby's hip. Wonder why?
They probably had, I don't know.
Oh, this shaped the little guy. Oh yeah.
You gotta put it in there, sure.
Yeah.
I don't know if this is illegal. I'm gonna do it quickly and stop. Ooh!
They got spiders. I'll be feeding them to the snake.
Yeah, snakes and
Just showing y'all a quick little glimpse. Why?
I need some more fish in my tank. So I'm gonna go to the pet shop and home and get a couple more aggressive fish. You gotta put aggressive with aggressive. See? This is what I gotta get some of them.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I think
And those are really nice big ones.
Yes.
We normally don't sell them.
No, because the first time I got some of them, it was like, oh, that they got like tucked up in the paper, and I didn't even know that that was a thing until
Well, they probably died first.
I hope so.
Yeah, they probably died before they got sucked
I
in.
really hope so.
God, like the normal.
Okay, good, that makes me feel so much better.
I think that's it.
Not this.
No. Dad. He in there.
Oh, I gotta go.
Oh my God, I see
When they're so small, they're very well.
Yeah, these snakes. I don't know they in there.
Yeah, let's do like 6 guys, and then yeah, just a couple of those guys.
Oh, it's a ball python in there too. See you balled up.
They the same. There's a cockroach. I can't.
Look at her,
I
boy.
can't. There's a cockroach right there.
They ain't clutching over. Here's Jay. So oh yeah, y'all. So just came out the stove. Had to beat Ninfahall at the stove. So
We did what
we
the
had got signs on for the ladies. Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. So got one for Mama Lenny and also one for Ninfahall.
I gotta put something between me and Mama Lenny so she don't see the flowers.
They gonna. Oh yeah, I'm about
Yeah,
to.
we can fit the
Yeah, we're gonna try to. It's like they gonna see it when we can bring it in the house, huh?
No, but then that'd be okay.
Yeah. I should put it in my book bag, huh?
No.
No.
Okay.
Back with your chair.
So we're gonna surprise when we get home, y'all.
understand.
Oh, let me cut this arrow. We around here playing. It's freezing out here.
Yeah.
Y'all, we went in. Y'all see it? We went in the pet store. From the pet store to the same store they in, and we still got out easy. Like That's one thing about men. We get things done and get out of there. Y'all women, y'all been in the stove for a while. No offense though, but yeah. She got a fidget.
You can check out your man.
It's a habit.
Yeah, you guys can come out now.
Oh, girl, give me one more chance. Won't you let me back to your heart? Oh, girl, I don't know what I'll do. Won't you let me in your heart? I want you back. Nah, 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 nah.
We gonna get
I want
copyright.
you back. Oh, 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 oh. I want you back. This is from me to you.
Oh, thank you, Gus. Thank you.
From me to you. And my flowers.
Aw,
Kiss, kiss.
Happy Valentines, everybody!
it's sweet.
I just don't have a Valentine yet.
Yeah, right there.
But you got on my Valentine.
Okay, I'll let you set the vase up.
Y'all, it's freezing.
Snow.
Man, what you sweeping for?
I just want it. I can see it.
Hey y'all, it's freezing. It's snowing out there. Everybody outside. Kit Kat ain't go outside out today. We wouldn't film earlier. I can't make it out. I can't make it out there, y'all.
Sweeping went right back in my
Oh, here you go, babe.
Here.
Oh. Oh yeah. It feels good though, cause we covered. So.
Hey, Star, you gonna get it? No, too potty for you.
Yeah, I think we should have bought a shovel, huh?
Yeah.
And when you think about that, we forgot all about that. Oh, we didn't go to Walmart.
Yeah, it'll be a little cheap, the flat head shovel.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little cheap. You can get. So look at them tubes up there.
It's freezing out here. See, it ain't real cold right now because it's
It's a
snowing.
different type, yeah.
Oh, there you go.
It's not like cold cocoa, it's a different. I see what it says, get in your eyes and feel like it burns. Watch out. Chill.
Woo! It's in my shirt.
Oh, I'm in the way, y'all.
It's in my shirt.
Yeah, there you go.
Because the show feel like
Yeah, it feel like it's running. It's running.
I enjoyed
I'm sorry, y'all. It might be dark.
I enjoyed that.
My neck is frozen.
Yeah, my head.
So how was the snow? So y'all, this is the next day. Look, it's piled up. It's cold out there. It's a lot of ice. Look, I can't even go down my where my ramp. It's gone. All that stowed out.
I can't slip it. Pull up. Oh, he got his watch on.
The Kit Kat. Man, that's not. Kit Kat. You wanna come in now? Yeah. It's cold out there though, but that's a lot of snow. We can't even go nowhere. If we do, the roads be slippery. The roads will be slippery right now, so we ain't going nowhere. So I'm gonna check what Nifa doing. So that's how I look out right now. We was playing in the snow yesterday. As y'all can see, a little bit of playing with the snow. When we went for a ride, I forgot the chip inside the computer. So, yeah. Oh, yeah, I had turned the oven on. Oh, y'all still want the oven on?
Yeah, the chicken.
Oh. They go need for y'all. What you doing, babe?
Warming up some soup from Costco.
Costco soup.
Yeah. That's it.
I ain't pushing it. I know you probably want to do that.
This is Southwest white bean chicken chili. That's a mouthful, huh?
You think you ain't gonna take us south far, right?
What?
Go to the toilet.
When you going to the toilet?
I eat a little bit.
I don't know.
But we ate beans, white beans anyways, and they ain't do nothing like that. It depends on the seasoning, so.
I don't know.
Ooh. Oh, it's blurry. Oh. Oh, Nifa.
I got some.
If you can.
I got some.
That's what I said. Soldier.
Oh.
We need some W40, huh?
I got some right now.
Kit Kat say she ain't with this. Look.
Ain't no more going outside, you ain't.
We in for the night.
That's it for today.
What you lock?